How to log in to Walmart account. So to log into your Walmart account, first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar, search for Walmart. And on the first search, you will have www.walmart.com. Click on that, and it will directly take you to the web page. And now to log in or to sign into your account, on the upper right corner, you will have sign in. Click on that, and then click on sign in or create account. And to sign in, first you have to enter your email address, and after entering your email address you can click on continue. And now you have to enter your password, or you can also choose this one, verification code, so that a verification code will be sent to your email address and then you can be logged into your account without entering the password. Or you can also enter your password, or if you forgot your password, then you can click on forgot password and then you can reset your password. But for now, I'll be choosing this password option instead of verification code. So enter your password. And then you have to verify. And that's it. That's how you log into your Walmart account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.